What's up? It's Hustlon. Today we gonna knock out 2 decks. We got 2 5x10 decks going to Aurora, Illinois. We running a little behind schedule right now. I messed up my sciatic nerve in my back. If y'all know, then y'all know. This ain't the first time I done messed it up, so I kind of knew what to do. I knew what was going on. Just rest, hydrate, stretch, exercise. Low resistance types exercises, that type of stuff. So if y'all see me moving a little sluggish or whatever, y'all know what's going on. I'm still kind of recovering, but this is a pretty small order, and I'm gonna just kind of take it easy. I really appreciate y'all tuning in. A lot of y'all keep asking about the blueprints now and the material list. What's going on is I actually am getting somebody to write all that stuff for me. Now that I have a patent situated or whatnot, I can, I'm gonna work on getting somebody to write that stuff for me. Draw that up for me digitally, just so it'll be a good, clean ebook. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to throw nothing together. I know a lot of y'all be like, some of y'all probably wouldn't even care. Y'all just say, hey, yeah, I just want the shit. I just want the measurements and stuff. I just want the material list. Like, a lot of y'all can figure it out on your own. But if I do it, I want to do it right. So I'm getting somebody together right now that's gonna do a good job for me, so I can get it to y'all. So we about to get to this build real quick. Appreciate y'all for watching.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.